30th question. Which of the following equations justify the given statement? When x is divided by y, the quotient is added to the product of x and y. So let's see how do we write this? X divided by y plus quotient is added to the product of x and y. So option D is the right answer, children. 31st question. Which of the following number lines represent 0 plus 8 minus 3? So starting from 0, 0 plus 8, 0 plus 8 minus 3, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. So option B is the right answer, children. 32nd question. The number of diagonals that can be drawn in the given figure is dash. So start from here. 1, this is 2, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So option C is the right answer, children. 33rd question. Which of the following statements are true? P statement, the place value of encircled digit in 5,87,632 is 70,000. So place value of 7 is, after 7 how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So keep 3 zeros. So place value of 7 is 7,000, not 70,000. So this is false. Now statement Q. In Indian system of numeration, the commas after 3 and 6 digits from the right separates ones and thousands periods respectively. So if we write a number like this, 1 lakh. So from right side, after 3 digits we keep a comma, and 4, 5. After 5 we put a comma. So 3 is correct but not 6 digits from the right. So Q statement is also false. So neither P nor Q is our answer, children. 34th question. The total weight of two baskets P and Q of fruits is 9 kg 120 grams. If the weight of fruit basket P is 2 kg more than that of fruit basket Q, then what is the weight of fruit basket Q? So let's write. So let us assume weight of fruit basket P is equal to P, weight of fruit basket Q is equal to Q. So P plus Q is equal to 9 kg 120 grams. So let's convert kg into grams. So 9 into 1000 plus 120 grams. So 9 into 1000, 9000. 9000 plus 120 is 9120 grams. So P plus Q is equal to 9120 grams, children. If the weight of fruit basket P is 2 kg more than that of fruit basket Q, so P is nothing but Q plus 2 kg more than that of Q. So how do we write P is equal to Q plus 2 into 1000, 2000 grams. So P is equal to Q plus 2000 grams. So substitute here Q plus 2000 plus Q is equal to 9120 grams. So Q plus Q is nothing but 2Q. This comes this side. So 9120 minus 2000. So 2Q is equal to 7120. Q is equal to 7120 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, remained with 1. So 2 fives are 10, remained with 1, 12. So 2 6 are 12, 2 zeros are 0. So we got Q is equal to 3560 grams. So option B is the right answer, children. 35th question, find the value of 415 minus 719 plus 1014 minus 2015. First, let's write what to be added, then minus of, minus is common over here, so 719 plus 2015. So first we add these two, then these two, then let's subtract those two. 5 plus 4 is 9, 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1, minus 9 plus 5 is 4, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 7 plus 0 is 7, 0 plus 2 is 2. So let's subtract these two. 2734 minus 1429. Take a borrow. 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. It becomes 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we got as 1305. So bigger number is having minus symbol. So we have to keep minus. So our answer is minus 1305. So option A is the right answer. Now, third section, everyday mathematics. 36th question. The cost of an air ticket of a passenger named Ramesh is rupees 5170 50 paisa. He also had to pay an excess baggage charge of 515 75 paisa. If he gave 6000 at the counter, then how much change does Ramesh get back? So first we need to add the cost of an air ticket, that is 5170 50 paisa, and extra baggage charge is 515 75 paisa. So cost of air ticket, cost of an air cost of an air ticket is equal to 5170 rupees 50 paisa, 515 rupees 75 paisa. Now let's add these two. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 1 carry. So 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 7 plus 1 is 8, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 0 is 5. So after 2 digits, put a point over here. If he gave 6000 at the counter, so he paid counter, so equal to 6000 rupees. How much change does Ramesh get back? So money he get back is equal to 6,000 minus 5,686, 25 paisa. So 0 minus 5 will not go, take a borrow. It becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 went borrow, so it becomes 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Point. 1 went borrow here, so it becomes 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 went borrow here, becomes 9 minus 8 is 1. So here also 1 went borrow, becomes 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 went borrow here, it becomes 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So option B, 313 rupees 75 paisa is the answer, children. 37th question. 3 sets of science, Sanskrit and computer books have 96 to 40 and 336 books respectively. If they have to be stacked in a such a way that all the books are stored subject wise and the height of each stack is the same, then find the number of stacks. Stack is nothing but arranging the things or books in an order, one upon the other. So let's find out the LCM for 96 first. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, now 240, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 0s are 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Now for 336, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21. Now highest common factor of these three numbers, 96, 240 and 336 is equal to 222. 2 is common in all the three and one more 2, 4 2s and 3 into 3. So let's multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So we got the highest common factor of these three numbers, 48. So now we are supposed to divide all these three numbers with 48 plus 240 divided by 48 plus 336 divided by 48. So 48 ones are 48, 48 twos are 96, 48 ones are 48, 48 fives are 240, 48 ones are 48, 48 sevens are 336. So this is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. So number of stacks equal to 14. Option B is the right answer, children. 38th question. The distance around the school field is 3 kilometers 500 meters. Rinki ran 3 rounds of the field and Sneha ran 4 rounds of the same field. What was the total distance covered by them? So, the distance around the field is given. So, distance covered in one round is as 3 kilometers, 500 meters. So, let's convert into meters. So, 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters plus 500 meters. 3 into 1000 is 3000. 3000 plus 500 is 3500 meters. So we got distance covered around the school field is equal to 3500 meters. So distance covered by Rinki is equal to 3500 meters into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10,500 meters. In the same way, distance covered by Sneha is equal to 3500 meters into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 14,000. So total distance covered by Rinki and Sneha is equal to 10,500 plus 14,000 is equal to 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 24,500 meters is the answer, children. Option A is the right answer, children.